Everything's back together. A couple of things that we want to talk about in fitment as we go down the line here. So once you hang the back box and these mid pipes here, you think about it, these ball joints right here are some of the most sensitive. The other ones will slip for distances, but these can't slip. So I set these first. I get these in and I make sure that the clamps are around the ball joints really nicely, and then get them tightened down. Then we work our way up. These flat sides of these pipes go to the crossbody brace. Don't forget to tighten the two bungs. There's one here and one up here. These are a 6mm Allen to tighten those down, and then just work your way up. Now, one place where you're gonna have probably the tightest fitment right here is you've got a 4-inch exhaust pipe here, is right here along this line for fitment. Now, it is really tight right now, but it's close, but it's gonna fit. So I just work my way up the line and make sure that there isn't any places where it touches. I also just smack the pipe, and you can tell if it's hitting metal anywhere. So I work my way up, make sure that everything's tight all the way up along the line to the top clamp, to your 12mm nut here. This bracket, make sure that it's nice and tight. Work your way all the way down the exhaust line. Now, we still need to put the exhaust tips on, so let's get that done, but we're really close to done. All right, so the last couple of things we're gonna need to do, and we're gonna talk through the exhaust tips and the valve controller here in a moment, but let's start with the exhaust tips. So the inner one is flexible and on a ball joint, so don't really focus on that one yet. What you wanna do is make sure that the outer one has equal clearance on both sides and then is level up and down. You can adjust that with this clamp here, but get it set at a reasonable level, tighten this down so it's nice and secure, and you can make fine adjustments as you get there. Same thing for this inner one. Obviously, on both sides, they're both really loose right now, but I'm going to tighten these down to when I get the exhaust tips on to make sure that they look perfect